cracked or damaged concrete fence footings can mess with your whole backyard vibe and even mess up your fence's stability, so knowing how to fix those cracks with a solid concrete patching compound is, like, a total lifesaver for your home improvement game. First off, you want to check out the cracked concrete footing and make sure it's clean. Get rid of loose dirt, old chunks, weeds, or anything that could stop the patch from sticking. Use a stiff brush or even a shop vac if you've got one. Next up, mix your concrete patching compound according to the instructions. You want to get that perfect peanut butter consistency, not too runny. Wet the damaged area a little before you start applying the patch. It helps the new stuff bond with the old concrete. Scoop the compound into the crack and really press it in there, filling every gap so you're not just covering the surface. Smooth it out with a trowel and try to blend it with the rest of the footing so it doesn't look all weird and lumpy. Let it cure based on what your patching compound says, usually a full day before messing with it. And honestly, after you're done, keep an eye on it for new cracks, because catching them early makes repairs way easier. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cracked concrete fence footings is skipping prep. If you don't actually clean out the crack and get rid of all that junk, your patching compound just won't stick and could pop out after a few weeks. Another common problem is using the wrong patching compound. Not all products are made for outdoor concrete repairs, so always look for something labeled for structural or exterior use to get that long-lasting fix. A lot of folks also don't give it enough time to cure before putting weight on the fence again, which can totally ruin all your hard work. Seriously, let that stuff sit for at least 24 hours or whatever the instructions say so it gets super strong. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trustworthy local contractors who know exactly how to handle things like cracked concrete fence footings, saving you stress and time. If you're a contractor looking for work, it's also a great way to get found by people in your area who need your skills right now.